Bell peppers need nutrient-rich soil. They do best in well-drained soil, and lots of sun. Raised beds are great for bell peppers, with good topsoil, compost, and rotted manure mixed in. Your bell peppers grow into small bushes, and need lots of air circulation. Give them enough room by spacing them between 12 and 18 inches apart, and in rows at least 24 to 36 inches apart. Bell peppers need lots of water during germination. You'll need to keep them moist but not soggy. If they don't get enough water, they'll have a bitter taste. You can use mulches to help keep the soil moist. You'll know that your bell peppers are ready to harvest when they turn their final color. They can be red, orange, yellow, green, or purple depending on the variety. The more you harvest, the more will grow, so pick them regularly.